Introducing first from the blue corner, ladies and gentlemen, making his amateur MMA debut, trained under the coach Vishal Singh, a hungry newcomer ready to make a statement. Please welcome Adnan Mukri. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, representing the Fin Fight Club, trained under the coach Sanjeevan Padwal, an outstanding amateur MMA record of 12 wins and just 1 loss. Make some noise for Sagar Dange! Explosive speed and unbreakable will. This is flyweight clash. Promises fireworks. This is Warrior Dream Series 15. The fight night. Here we go with the bout number 3.
And here we go with the bout number 3, which is 57.2 kilogram flyweight amateur MMA. This fight is between the homeboy, the local talent, Sagar Dange, all the way from Jalna to Mumbai, and his opponent, Adnan Mukri. Adnan Mukri is in the blue corner and Sagar is in the red corner. Adnan represents Yoda Fighting Academy and Fight Elite, while Sagar represents Fit and Fight Club. क्या लगता है आपको रोहन कि ये होम टर्फ होम ग्राउंड का एक एडवांटेज सागर के पास रहेगा या नहीं?
And he goes for the takedown. Definitely home ground advantage है. The crowd is going wild right now. And जब भी walkout भी हो रहा था, the response Sagar received is phenomenal. क्या takedown complete होगा? That's the. Was there a cage grab?
Sagar.
They've been returned to their corners.
And this is a warning for.
He gets a warning for a cage grab. Can he go for the takedown again? And there's a leg kick.
And Adnan defends.
Trying to take down defense, but
takedown by
fence
Sagar.
के against position बहुत ही dangerous
Again he goes for the cage grab.
See, a grappler would always want you to be close to the fence and वो takedown complete हो जाता है.
Yes, this is what the game of grappling in MMA is.
Okay, so headlock में तो आ गया Sagar, but I think he's going to escape this. And he escapes it. Very smooth.
Sagar escapes this very beautifully because he's a natural grappler, as you can see in his fight style. And he's headbutting.
Exactly. Okay, there was a headbutt. Let's see, was it intentional? Both of them struggling to maintain position. Adnan, even though ground pe hai, he's trying his best to reverse the situation, and he has that underhook again. That underhook is a defining thing. Whenever you're on the ground, definitely तुम्हारी position तुमको maintain करने के लिए, you need to slip in that underhook. Let's see अगर Sagar break कर सकता है. And Sagar breaks that underhook.
Sagar breaks this. But both fighters are trying
again,
to
the
outwork
underhook
each
is
other. These both fighters are trying
क्या
to.
वापस takedown होगा? Both of them raining knees. Let's see if this takedown gets completed. Adnan holding really well right now.
नो ऑडियंस भी यहाँ पे अपने अपने ख्याल चला रहे होंगे, अपने अपने आइडियाज लगा रहे होंगे कि इन फाइटर्स को
Oh,
अब next क्या
nice
करना
head
चाहिए.
movement by Sagar. Sagar goes for the takedown again.
But he fails again.
Oh, nice one by Sagar.
Nice kick by Adnan Mukri.
And he eats that body kick. He goes for the takedown. Adnan is striking really well, I would say. But Sagar कुछ अलग ही level का intensity दिखा रहे हैं and he's showing a different level of resolution.
यहाँ पे अदनान को एक स्ट्राइकिंग में काफी एडवांटेज मिल रहा है सागर के ऊपर.
Sagar is setting up the takedown again. He goes for nice defense by Adnan.
Adnan is defending with against his grappling again and again against Sagar's grappling and striking
Both of
very
them
hard
striking
on
now.
Sagar.
So the thing is, for watchers who don't know, Adnan has a base in Wushu. Wushu is a Chinese martial art. It is also a mixed martial art. तो Wushu का एक branch होता है Sanda, that is Wushu Sanda. उसमें जो होते हैं techniques from a lot of martial arts are combined in that. And I think that is definitely giving him an advantage when he's going for takedowns and he's defending those takedowns. So I feel like that martial art of Wushu is really helping him right now. He's competed and won at the state levels also. But I feel like looking at Sagar's fighting style and his raw strength, I feel like he can still manage to counter all of these defenses.
What I feel is Sagar here is lacking a bit in striking because Adnan he has completely gained advantage. जैसे कि हमने last round में देखा round 1 में किस तरह से Adnan dominated against Sagar in striking when once he defended Sagar's grappling. Sagar का एक advantage है कि he has a very raw strength, very power strength जो कि वो apply कर पाते हैं अपने opponent के ऊपर. Let's see
The
round 2
crowd
में क्या
goes
होता है.
wild for round 2. The crowd is wild.
And
Chants of
audience
Sagar
cheering
are
for
going
Sagar.
on right now. Electric atmosphere.
The whole audience is going Sagar, Sagar.
So the thing is, even though Adnan ki striking बहुत सही है, Sagar is waiting for the movement to set up that perfect takedown. Because as you know, Sagar की एक previous fight हुई थी where he has ended with a rear naked choke. He will try to do the same, I feel. He's being very patient with Adnan right now.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है
Exactly.
कि
Both of them अभी एक distance check चल रहा है. Sagar, I feel, is still setting up that takedown. He's not wanting to strike. And did you see that? That's a nice
yes,
slip
he goes
by
for the
Adnan.
takedown, but again Adnan defends it.
Adnan is defending really well.
I guess Adnan studied Sagar very well. He knows what Sagar's weaknesses and what
Exactly.
Sagar's power is.
Adnan has figured out that Sagar will go for the takedown because I've been seeing the uppercut threats also coming in. So I feel like he's trying to discourage those takedowns. And he goes
And
for the
he goes
takedown.
for
There's a
the
single
takedown.
leg.
Can he complete this?
Adnan slips it again. There's a timeout. Maybe there's a groin shot. Let's see. So it's not a groin shot. The guard was loose. So they fixed the leg guard, the shin guard. Let's go.
Here we start again.
Adnan gauging the distance again
Sagar
with
has
those calf
fumbled a
kicks.
bit. As you can see, Sagar.
Sagar really confident right now.
Adnan
Is a
and Sagar goes for the takedown. Let's see
The
if he can
face
complete
off.
this. And he
the
completes
takedown
it finally.
The takedown is completed. The crowd is going wild for Sagar right now.
Because Adnan is against the fence once again and Sagar.
This is a position a grappler like Sagar loves. He has him pinned against the cage.
And
Adnan
Adnan
gets
stands
up.
on his feet again. Knee मारने हुए यहाँ पे सागर knee
Is Sagar going to sweep him?
knee
Let's see.
strikes की कोशिश, knee
Let's see
strikes
if that
land
sweep
करते
is
हुए.
successful. The corner is urging Sagar to sweep him. Let's see. Can he get the sweep in?
And यहाँ पे
Adnan again
round
with
2
the
की
underhook.
समाप्ति.
We got to see another phenomenal round. Adnan को definitely Wushu बहुत help कर रहा है in his defenses of the takedowns because उनको पता है, he has figured out Sagar's game right now. Plus, a fact for the watchers, during their face-off, Sagar gave Adnan a hard push. So because of that, Adnan has taken that personally. So there is a lot of heated things going on in the octagon right now.
Exactly, Rohan, and I feel कि ये दोनों fighters जो है इनके आपस की styles जो है that is way much different because Adnan is just defending his takedowns. He's not going for the takedowns. He's just defending the takedowns of Sagar.
Exactly. I feel like at this point he won't go for the takedowns because उन्होंने figure out कर लिया है that is better in striking, and he has also given up the counter advantage by defending the takedowns really well. So the advantage that Sagar had with respect to takedowns, Adnan has kind of taken it away. So I feel like he's going to try to stick to striking.
The fight IQ here is at the display. Adnan is showing full 100% and both fighters smiling at each other.
Again, Adnan is striking. Sagar setting that takedown, but Sagar is trying to switch it up. Is Sagar striking? Yes.
Yes,
Sagar is striking. Both of them are striking right now.
Both are laughing at each
The
other.
crowd going wild
goes
and the
again for
takedown.
but
There's
defense.
another defense. Adnan's takedown defense has been phenomenal this night.
The strikes, the punches that Adnan is landing. सागर को उसको जवाब देना होगा.
Let's see the game plan now. Another kick by Adnan.
अगर
Another
ऐसे
body
चलते
kick.
रहा तो सागर due to
Both of them striking
technical
again.
inferiority points की वजह से हार जाएंगे. आपको क्या लगता है?
Exactly. I feel the same way. He's setting up another single leg.
And Adnan
Can
को
he
अब सिर्फ
complete
डिफेंड
it?
करना होगा and खुद strikes करने
There's a
होंगे
cage
ताकि
grab.
वो और
Okay,
points
he
score
got
कर
a
सके.
warning.
If Sagar
So both
catches
of
him
the
up,
legs are getting
anything
grabbed.
can happen. This is a
The
fight.
single leg is tight. And he takes
And
a
he goes for the
solid
takedown again.
The sheer strength of Sagar right now. The crowd is erupting. सब लोग सागर की chant लगा रहे हैं.
Home
Wild
love.
atmosphere right
This
now.
is the love you get when you're at home. सागर यहाँ पे अपना पूरा स्ट्रेंथ बट यहाँ पे
And
रिवर्स कर
Adnan
दिया
stuffs
अदनान ने.
this again. Adnan has decided grappling नहीं होगी. We're going to strike this out.
That's what he's doing. He's
Takedown
just defending
करोगे,
takedowns.
he will defend that and he will force you to strike.
And he
And he lands a head kick. Sagar eating that. Expression भी change नहीं हुआ सागर का during that head kick. Another one.
Sagar is into pressure as you can see.
Again, there's a takedown attempt, and he has him pinned up against the cage.
And
land
he
हो
puts
गया
him
है.
down.
Adnan के दोनों legs अभी cover, and he slips out of that position.
Sagar trying to land punches but Adnan ने उनका एक hand grab किया हुआ है.
Adnan being very composed right now. Sagar is moving towards the back. I think I know what comes after. And it's just 10 seconds remaining. Let's see.
Can Sagar land more punches and score?
I think Sagar is
And
going for
this
it. And
is
he throws
the
him away.
end of this round.
And the fight ends. Crowd is going wild. Great takedown defense by Adnan. Great striking by Adnan. And sheer strength shown by Sagar. Sagar is definitely the local favorite here. Both of these fighters have shown a lot of heart and they've given us a solid performance this night.
The fight has gone to decision and let's hope for the best. Sagar talking to the camera. The fight has gone for the decision, and referee.
Now let's see what the judges have to say. What will be the criteria of judging this fight tonight? Will it be strikes? Will it be the control time? Will it be the number of takedowns? We will surely get to know in a moment.
After 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. Your winner via split decision from the red corner.
And Sagar wins this fight.
Sagar wins by split decision. Lot of takedowns landed, lot of pressure created on his opponent.
So please step
The
inside
power,
to
the
present
raw strength
the
shown by Sagar is
back to the
phenomenal, is
winner.
uncomparable. This is something elite level strength.